それではですね、またギャラクシーエッジ、これからオーガズキャンティーナ、明日行くんですけど、サビのワークショップとか様子をちょっとお届けしていこうかなと思っております。行ってみましょう。
But since the first order arrived a couple of weeks ago, we have had to be very careful. See, we have been a secret here for so long, and we want to preserve that secret for years to come. And if the first order were to come in our doors, our hope is they would think this is all just bits and pieces of junk. But we know that these artifacts are rich in history. And as gatherers, we are here to preserve the past to ensure our futures. Now, as you've seen, we are in troubled times. But you've all heard the legends like Luke Skywalker. Yes? Yes. Excellent. And now we have a new Jedi. And her name? Rey. Yes, Rey. And she is our spark of hope. And I believe, builders, just like them, you too have heard the calling. And that's why you're here, to build this, the lightsaber. They say to build one is a work of art. It is beautiful and mysterious, and it is personal. It has been held by some of our greatest of heroes and some of our darkest of enemies. And I believe, builders, it's what will connect each and every one of you to the Force. But it all starts with one thing. The Kyber crystal. The Kyber crystal is the heart of your lightsaber. It harnesses the Force to power your saber. The color of your crystal will determine the color of your blade, and there might be many colors out in the galaxy, but we have gathered 4 for you today, and I'd like to start with this one. Blue. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his young apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. And green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and the legendary Luke Skywalker. And violet. It is rare and beautiful. And it was once wielded by Master Mace Windu. And finally, red, the crystal of power. Darth Vader, Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, and now Kylo Ren. But builders, enough with them and their stories. It is time for you to start your journey. It's time for you to choose your Kyber crystal. Or perhaps, builder, the crystal will choose you. So, if you would, please close your eyes. Close your eyes, builders. Now, in your mind, what crystal calls to you? What color of crystal speaks to you? Now, builders, once you have that in your mind, hold on to it, and now, open your eyes. And reach for your crystal.
Push it right there, please. Push it right here, please.
Now, builders, if you haven't already, please place your crystal in a green dish in front of you. Excellent. Now for the hilt. The hilt will house the heart of your lightsaber. It will train you to be a crystal method to build your lightsaber weapon. It is also important to know that your hilt will save your fingers from getting disintegrated. It's always a good thing. Now, builders, let's explore the trays. Right here to your left is your chest, which will house your Kyber crystal. 1 and 2 are your handles and grips. 3, you have emitters for pummel caps. And in 5, you have sets of activation sticks. Now, builders, are you ready to build? Yes. Builders, you're building a lightsaber. Are you ready? Yes. Then let's build.
Right, builders, first hold your chassis up like this with the
crystal inside that center chamber. It goes straight up and down. It's spring-loaded here on the top. You push up and slide top in,
ここにはめ
and it'll light up and sing to you when it's... Please no flash. Please no flash.
光った
It should light up and sing to you when it's in the top.
All right, builder. Good job. Now you're going to move on to your activation plates. On the back, you have a blue and a red square. You're going to match up the blue with the blue, the red with the red, and they are a matching set. They are a matching set, yes.
Okay. All right, and then you have your crystal. Just check your crystal, please. Okay. Okay, the next one is going to be the activation plates. Look on the side of your chest, you see those red and blue squares. Inside the activation plates are red and blue squares. So make sure you match them up. Red goes against red, blue goes against blue.
赤と青の色を合わせてつけてくださいっていう
They're going to head towards the type of crystal.
この
Each one for the top and one for the bottom.
We have
Did you test the activation plate? Okay, we're going to try that. You just want to make sure it's on the right. Now you choose the thick and the red goes in towards the center.
もうこの時点でずれに
Try your activation plate. Tighten it down.
like that one and that one.
Did you try the activation switch? Okay. Thick end has to go in first towards the center. The thick end goes in first towards the center. Thick end goes in first towards the center. The thick end goes in first towards the center.
Okay.
There, I'm sorry. And then you tighten them down. You have to put some pressure on it as you tighten it. The threads are very short. Don't get too tight, okay? Just tighten up where it is. You don't stop.
フラッシュモンフラッシュモンなのか 真剣に作っちゃうんだけど
Beautiful build. Okay. That is your activation switch. So when she says activate, that's what you're going to do right there. Oh. Wow. How brave.
持ってる
Remember, these are unstable
これ
crystals.
ね多分
And unstable
伝
crystals
わんないと思うけどめちゃめちゃ重い
also make holes in the ceiling, so we don't want to make it pull in. Here we go. Oh, yes, it has. Okay. Oh, beautiful job. Excellent. Very nice. Excellent sound, too. Great job. This is your activation switch. So when she says activate, just like that, okay? Excellent job. Finish? Okay. Good job.
You like this one, right?
All the wood accents are from Lilac trees. From the pattern cushion.
So when you are done with your build,
Go ahead and place it in front of you. That comes from Hawk's home planet.
not yet.
Also comes from again. And this wood right here comes from Lilac trees from the planet Cashew. This is great.
実際に本当ライトセーバー
We're all ready? Is that right?
を持ってるかなさあみんなできたね準備完成しました
Well, builders, I see some amazing builds. However, we have come to the most dangerous part of the whole process, so if you would, please take a large step back. All the way back. Thank you. You're allowing my fellow Gabbians to come around and place your hips into the crystal stabilization chamber. Now, see, stabilizing a lightsaber is usually done by someone who's, let's say, force sensitive. But we are just humble gatherers, and we rely on technology and a well-practiced hand of my fellow gatherers. Now, Luckily for you, we had 3 of the best, so as I knew, you would not have any mishaps. Excellent, thank you, ladies. Now, what we're going to do is let these stabilize. You need to find out one.
With many perks you began. Yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined, much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda. Oh, builders, the force must be strong in here. And it is. It's time to forge that bond between builder and saber. So in a moment, I'm going to ask you to step forward. Put your hand on your hilt, and together we will activate. So builders, if you would take that step forward. Put your hand on your hilt. Let's wait for everybody. Take a deep breath and activate. Raise your lightsaber. You have built a lightsaber like the Jedi and Sith who've come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Children, raise your sabers high. The bond is complete. Please deactivate.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but find your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, builders. You have built lightsabers that are as unique and extraordinary as each and every one of you. But in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, for the protection of your lightsaber, we are pleased to present to you a sacred sheath as you depart. Now, our time has come to an end, but your journeys are just beginning. It's time for you to go and make your mark on the galaxy. And who knows, someday we might be telling your stories. To the spire! To the spire! Thank you for sharing your safe journeys.
大型キャンティーナに来ております。ここは予約必須というわけで事前に予約の方が必要になるんですけど、雰囲気が素晴らしいです。まさに映画の世界観、ハンソロとかが行ったような酒場にすごい似てるような感じですね。なんとも言い難い。それではですね、今ホテルの方に戻ってきたわけですけども、本日ギャラクシー Z の方行ってまいりまして、非常にですねアトラクションのそしてショップもグッズもですね、楽しむことができました。なんと一番のおすすめはこのライトセイバーですね。自分のライトセイバーが作れるというわけで非常にこれはかっこ こいいし、この重量感本物になります。ぜひ皆さんカリフォルニアディズニーランドリゾート、またはですねフロリダのハリウッドスタジオにも同じギャラクシーズエッジありますので、行ってみた際にはですねこのライトセーバーぜひ作っていただければと思います。それでは本日はこの時点でこれで終わりたいと思います。皆さんまたお会いしましょう。フォースとともにあらんことを。